so yummy, guys. It's a prawn. Sarap nito, guys. Grabe. Ayan siya. Ang aking sabaw, guys. Today is, ayan o ngayon. Cabbage, carrots, patatas, at saka manok. Yan. Yan ang ating ulam for tonight. Sarap nito, guys. Yan o. Diba? Thank you so much, guys. I hope you support my channel. This one is going to ready. It's ready na, guys. Ready na siya. Okay. Palagay ko ready na yan, guys. Hindi pwede ma-over ko. Ayan. Thank you so much sa inyong panonood. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Salina Egan Vlog. Thank you. Jesus love us.